Hello, my name is Oscar Javier Guido. I study engineering production. My company name is Ramo S.A. Its CEO or founder is Rafael Molano Olarte. Based in Colombia, Ramo have office in Bogotá, Antioquia, Mosquera, and Palmira. Company structure is for department production, department distribution, department commercialization, type of company, food company, main activity, production and marketing of food products, main competitor, Noel Cookies, Bimbo, and Colombina. Number of employees 3,500. Main comparison between the company you choose and its my competitor. My competitor is Bimbo. Element to make the comparison: chocolate. Ramo is product Chocoramo. Bimbo is Chocoso. Element to make the comparison: brownie. Bimbo is brownie Chocoramo Arequipe. Bimbo is Mr. Brown Arequipe Mani Arequipe. Cupcakes. In Ramo, the name's Ramito. In the Bimbo is Bimbolate. Element the comparison: pat round. In Ramo is Ramo tradicional. In Bimbo is home. Bread. Ramo is homemade chopped bread sandwich. Bimbo is artisan sandwich chopped bread. In pat stuffing, in Ramo is geese, and in Bimbo is submarine. The history describes 10 important moments related to the history of the company. 1. (1950) home production started. 1964 start production in Bogotá headquarters San Andresito. 1967 inauguration of the plant in Antioquia. 109,069 inauguration of the plant in Mosquera, Cundinamarca. 173. Egg production as raw material for product. 109,079. Opening of the Palmira plant Valle del Cauca. 109,096 for production in its factory of raw material. 2015 start of the transformation. 2015 the new chocolate spread cream is released. And 10 December the 2015 chocolate start sales in the United States and manufacturing new products such as donuts, platanins, and French fries. The corporate social responsibility describes three actions the company is working on related to CSR. 1. Ramo School. It is an idea that was born from John Raphael, who created a school to provide education to the employees, children, and to their own shopkeepers who sell Ramo products have as benefit. 2. Rural Recharge Foundation. In the White Creek part of the municipality of Santa Rosa de Viterbo, Ramo is encourages the support of rural women who may $100,000 uniform for workers of the Ramo business group every year. And 3. Zero waste. These wastes go to a food bank whereby products that are not made stable but retain the good nutritional quality of those that are donated to a food bank for vulnerable families and less favored population. Thank you.